Pups. All right, what's going on, everyone? This is Pitbull Pack Life, and these guys want to go out. And go ahead for the door. Yeah. Everybody's running out here now. Hey, out, guys! Out, out, out! Now Eli's over here making dog food because we have. It's been a long time, Eli, since we've made dog food. How many years has that been, Mom? Anyone? How many years since we've made dog food?
Probably two.
Two. All right. So what are you doing, Eli? What is this stuff?
Flour, water, a little bit of minerals, and some cow liver.
So vitamins, minerals, cow liver, flour, and water.
Yep.
All right.
No Jerry.
Jerry. And then, so what we're going to do is we're going to take them out here, and these are the dog pans, because we used to make dog food all the time when we were unable to get dog food. And so at present, this is the best we can do. So, right, let's make it rain.
Yeah, I need a scoop.
Oh. Muck and Dizzy. Annie, you can have that later. Get out of there. Hannah, out. Hannah, where? Hannah, wheels, out. She likes it. She's like, ooh, what is this? You guys haven't had this stuff for a long time. How'd you guys get stuck in there? Stop that, Josh. Hide up. Okay. It's been a long, long time. What was the year? When was the last time we made dog food? Dude, hustle up, man. Pop that thing on there.
It doesn't open.
Bro,
Here.
manhandle that or give it to your mama.
Mama. Give it to me. See this thing right here?
Give it to
All you do is pull that right here.
Oh,
I've never opened one of these before.
And then look, it opens up nicely.
it's called being 10% smarter than the thing you're working on. I'm just kidding, Eli. I'm just totally kidding. I can't even see you because you're just dark out here. Okay, here, bust this up before you get
Hey, out.
this. Mr. Bubs, out.
Come on.
Mr. Bubs.
Everybody up.
Okay, let's make this up. And I'm just kidding. Eli's actually really smart.
Okay, now just take your pen and...
Whoa. That needs to be stirred up more too, your flour stuff. Kids, what are you guys doing? What's happening? Why are we switching dog foods? Oh, we're just going some other dog food for now. Alright, bust it over you so we can see the process of this. Knock it off, crumbles. Alright. This is the Nitty Gritty Jungle Band making up some food.
Back left.
That's cow liver. Bubbles, out. Everyone out. Bubby, out.
I already had a taste of it, so then they don't...
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, do not get that all over.
Back.
Out, kids. Come on.
Out, guys. Everyone out.
Everyone out. Hang on a second,
Right.
kids. Everyone go inside.
They're like, this is so interesting. It smells so good, you know?
Back.
Oh man, I got the hiccups. I can't stop hiccuping. What's up, Joe Bar? What's up, buddy? Can you smell this? What is it they said Jerry had?
Osteoarthritis.
Osteoarthritis.
Bone on bone, basically.
Bone on bone. Jerry, get out of there. Jerry.
Jericho.
Jerry. Elbow.
Jerry, out.
Jerry.
Jerry.
Come on.
Jerry. Cherry.
No.
You're gonna get some for dinner. Well, the dog just owned everything we had. Everyone back. Out.
Already out. Bubs.
Bubbles,
Out.
come here. Come here, Bubbles. Come here. It's terrible. What are they eating?
The wrapper. Although that was a tea bag.
Oh, sorry. Always something with the dogs. Leo, was that you?
Yes, he was trying to get the lentil bread pan. He knocked everything over.
I don't know. Pause portion inside so everyone goes inside so you can eat all this.
Yep.
Did you put it in already?
Not yet.
Where's it going?
Over there on the barrel.
No, how are we gonna get the other two on that bottom one?
Dude, that doesn't look very mint. All right. Well, that's it, everyone. Sorry, Buzz. I just about stepped in the dog. All right, that's it. We are. We'll do a video when these guys are eating this. We haven't eaten this kind of dog food for a very long time, so we shall see how it goes. So, hope you guys have a good day, and we are out.
Oh.